This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Welcome home to your future lakefront retreat. This tri-level home offers magnificent lakefront views. The split bedroom floor plan features both a master bedroom suite and junior bedroom ensuite. The well-equipped kitchen features custom oak cabinetry with 42 inches upper cabinetry adorned with undermount lighting, soft close drawers and custom hardware with quartz inserts that match the quartz countertops. The cozy living room is enhanced with wood flooring and a stone fireplace. The master bedroom suite features a sitting area offering spectacular lakefront views through glass sliding doors. A large walk-in closet with custom organizer system will maximize your storage space. The master bathroom is furnished with a spa tub, walk-in tiled shower and an oversized vanity. The junior bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and private ensuite bath along with a lovely lakefront view. Other amenities include new double pane windows, architectural shingles installed 2016, upgraded HVAC system, screened porch, deck, dock, laundry room with utility sink and additional cabinetry, fenced-in yard, covered parking for 3 cars and off-street parking for an RV or boat. The backyard deck is nestled under the canopy of Majestic Oak Trees that will compel you to sit, relax and enjoy the inspiring views of Lake Marion. This enchanting property offers you tranquil old-world charm and sanctuary refuge away from today's hustle and bustle. For more information, review